What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. Thank you guys again for joining us for another live stream. I'm going to be sharing my screen and we have 8 minutes until the market opens. I'm simply going to be breaking down stocks and I hope you guys enjoy this live stream. It's not going to be too long and it's because I have something to do later on. So if you guys don't join us, I am live every single day, Monday through Friday. Feel free to be a part of our group. We have 43,000 members within our community. It's TechBot Solutions and all the links are down in the description. They're all going to be tuning in right now and I can't thank you guys enough for your time and for your support. We have 3 rules with TechBot Solutions. We never invest based on what we don't understand. We never invest based on anyone else's opinion, and we always manage our risk, meaning that you know where you're buying, you know where you're selling, and the importance of knowing where you're going to be cutting your losses. Understanding that, let's get right to it, and I'm going to be sharing my screen right now. I do want to let you guys know that our t-shirts are going to be shipping out for all those that did pre-order it. All your t-shirts are going to be shipping out this week. And for those that now want to order your t-shirt, I believe it should be the 3rd link in the description, and you guys can pick up your TechBot Solutions apparel. So thank you guys again for all the support. But let's get started to finding a hot pick. So I'm going to say what's up to everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Ordered my shirt. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. So let's go ahead and put you guys right over here. We have people from Australia. Good day. What's going on, guys? We have a couple people that were calling out a series of different stocks within our group. Kind of want to see what the top trending ALDX. Let's check that out. Let's see how my watch list is doing. Nope, that one didn't pop out. ALDX. Ooh, do you guys see that? Usually trends around from $4 anywhere to highs of like $5. Even highs max is like $5.50. But right now it's at like almost $7 altogether. Let's see how it's doing. It looks like it's bouncing off the purple VWAP, if you guys can see that, and then hitting a resistance at the red VWAP. So that's this area right here, bouncing off the purple VWAP as a support and hitting a resistance or hitting a cap at the red VWAP. So let's see. That margin is usually about 6%. So this is huge. I'm going to add this one to my watch list for today. Boom, there we go. So thank you guys for that. Again, it's all about sharing best practices and sharing mistakes. So this is just exposure. So just because it's there doesn't mean that I'm actually going to trade it. Just means that I'm adding it to my list of stocks that I see potential in. AEMD. AEMD. Okay, so these are all some gappers. So if you guys could see, obviously used to trade around 136, 130. You want to make sure that you justify, you understand why this thing is seeing exponential growth. So if you guys want to comment in the live stream why it is that these companies are seeing exponential growth. For those that are asking where is the group chat, I did explain for the past 2 days that our group chat did experience some sort of like filter that it booted some people out. So I reposted the link in a Facebook group on the top pinned post. Again, the link is provided for you on top. Simply, click to rejoin, and that's all you have to do. So thank you again for the support, and I'm sorry for the inconvenience. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Kind of have the same thing going off, bouncing off the purple VWAP. Not much volume going on this one. Overall cap at about, what is that? Yeah, let's see if it makes new highs. If it can make new highs, then that can be interesting. I'll add this one to my watch list as well. Alrighty. We have 3 minutes and 51 seconds. TEVA. This is one that we were talking about yesterday. How did it do today? Okay. Well, it's still up from yesterday. Wow. We called this one out pretty well. So if you guys didn't join us, for all those that are part of TechBot Solutions and the Discord group and don't know when I say voice channels or the TechBot Solutions voice chat, you simply, these are all the group chats. I post and all the admins post all our video links only now in this section, the main group chat link, and then you simply scroll down and you click here, and this is the TechBot Solutions live chat. You can communicate with one another. Please make sure that you put your microphone on mute just so you don't interrupt other people's conversation that they're having. So let's keep it efficient and let's keep it clean. We would really appreciate if we can make sure that, I mean, guys, it's, we're trading, we're having fun, we're making money. Let's make sure that we keep it professional in there and not use any foul language, because we do have both males and females in our group, and we want to be supportive. So Looks like this one's bouncing off the golden VWAP. This one's giving us a good indicator. The reason that I like this one is because it continuously showed an upward trend. If we do a 20-day analysis ever since, let me see. Yeah, this is the one that we were analyzing yesterday that had the cup and handle trend. So again, it had a huge pullback, and because of that huge pullback, set its support, and it's been trending up ever since, way above the EMA line, especially for a swing trade. We had a couple traders get in at lows of 18.50 because of the pullback. We called out the resistance that it had at $19. Right as it had that resistance, saw a pullback, ended up hitting lows of 18.26 and started trending up ever since then. And today, if they would have gone in at 18.55, they would have been up about 6%. I see $20 to be more of a. Right now, it's trending more at. Okay, 19.89. So $20 should be more of a resistance. I'd lock in profits. But if you see value in this one, then yeah, continue trending it up and doing what it is that you think you see value in. So. Boom, Broseph getting in at 1809. I like that. Good morning, good morning, good morning. CTIC. Okay, so this one, this is one that, it does a lot of its movement during pre-market hours. It hit its peak, and then it sees a huge downward trend. This is okay. ALDX, nice, thank you. It looks like it's hit its peak. This is something that I would wait for the bounce off the golden VWAP line, and wait for the validation of the bounce. Okay, so we're making new highs here. $7. This could be a solid runner. Okay, I think this is the one that I'm going to be focusing on today. We have 53 seconds until the market opens. Again, guys, please don't invest based on my opinion. Please don't invest based on anyone else's opinion. Please only invest in what you see value in. And it's as simple as that. So. I'm going to break these down very quickly. AMNRS. Okay, so this one still has that support at $4, really starting a flat line there. I think that this one will slowly die out. Did we call this one out perfectly? EFX, this one's way oversold, and I'm just waiting for the bounce, so hopefully that'll be at 110, but that doesn't mean that that's going to be 100%. JNUG continuing its downward trend, while JDST continues its upward trend. So that's pretty solid there. Congrats to all those that have been swing trading it. I'm getting my phone ready to be able to execute my trade. And I will be focusing on ALDX. So again, please do not mimic my trades. Please do not follow my trade step by step. So, okay, so there we go, a little pullback. I like that. Boom, there we go, freaking crack. The thing popped way too high. All right, so we have a quick runner. Did you guys see that one from $7 right at market open to $7.25? Already pulling back and trying to get filled at $7. Oh, huge pullback. Oh, okay. 1 second. Wow, huge pullback. All right, is that the support? Nope. Still haven't gotten filled. Was about to send in my order, and looks like we had a pretty solid pullback. I'm gonna go ahead and I think Fidelity is a little bit difficult to buy sometimes. All right, we're gonna wait for the upward trend. There we go. Boom, got filled at 664. All right, we're up. Gonna be selling. Overall support at 640. There you go, a little pullback. And again, I'm a pretty conservative trader, so When it comes down to stop lossing out, that's something that I do pretty. Oh, there we go. And should have waited for more of a solid purchase at. Okay. One second. Huge downward trend. So this is. There we go. And give it a little bit more cushion. It's still not trending up, so. Can we even push down below 625? There we go. All right, we're having a little pump up, and again, it's something that I could have done a little bit better. Waited to be a little bit more patient. Oh, sorry. There we go, starting to trend up. Little pullback. All right. All right, so we're struggling to break above the purple VWAP line. This is something that I have to wait for, and if not, then I'll just lock it in right here. Okay, pushing right through. There we go, 660. $640 pullback, 645, 635. Wow, it's still struggling to break above the purple VWAP. Let's see what you guys have to say. There we go. Boom. Freaking crap. Sorry about that, guys. Give me 1 second. We're not breaking 655. Looks like it's peaked out at 660. Let's see. Alrighty, give me 1 second. There's the pullback. MACD is showing a downward trend. I see that as well. All right. So it looks like overall, based on where it is right now, $6.25, $6.25, 6.35 is the overall support. That's realistically where it's kind of flatlining down there. It doesn't mean that 100% it won't go below it. Just means that that's kind of like, psychological support right now. It's trying to trend up, but if you guys could see right here, just to kind of talk or commentate while I'm waiting. It has the purple line right here. That's the purple VWAP line. It acts as a resistance as well as the EMA line. Therefore, when it broke below it, it becomes a resistance, so it's struggling to break above it. So we're getting a nice little push, and if it does not break above 660 here, I'm just going to cut losses, but very minimal. All right, we actually broke above it this time, and there's 660. Boom. All right, 665, 660, 670. And pullback, 665, 660. Yeah, 660, 670. Pull back again. It's not holding. I'm trying to be patient, so I'm planning on selling right here at the, wow, huge pullback again. And the reason I say huge pullback, although it might not seem like it, it went from like 665 down to 634. That's about 4.64% in a matter of like, 1 or 2 seconds. So, I mean, that's huge when it comes down to, so if you guys would have gone in, from here to the highs, that's 7.24, 7.2%. So with, $10,000, that would have been $720 profit. Just to put into perspective, $1,000, it's $72. Whatever's more realistic for you. But all right, I'm just gonna lock it in when we break above it and call it a day. I have a meeting at 8 o'clock and it's 1 hour away. So I took 2 positions. I bought a little bit more when I got down here at 635. Wanted to make sure that it was trending up to average down. So anything above 655 is profit. Really trying to squeeze it in. See. All right, give me 1 second, team. There we go. I like the little pumps that it has. There we go. Safe spot. All right, let's see. So we're going above the, there we go, and build, come on. What the hell, Phil? What the heck? It's getting stuck at 665 again. Resistance still around $7. There we go. Boom. All right, covered some of my position. Right now we're highs of 670, 675, 680. Let's see. All right, so we're breaking above it. Just gotta be patient. Man. Okay, so just so I can talk while you guys are watching. For those that are saying that, for everyone that just got kicked out of Discord, no one got kicked out of Discord. I reposted all the links down on the very top. You simply have to go to the Facebook group and ask to rejoin. Discord automatically filtered people out that weren't as active as other members. So you simply have to, try to be a little bit more active. It's unfortunately just a feature that we have set up to filter out people that aren't as active. It doesn't require anything else. You simply have to ask to rejoin. So we didn't kick you out. It's just an automated boot. There's no reason for me to kick you guys out of the group. And there's I think 1,000 people that got kicked out of the, couple thousand that we have in there. T-Max saying he got in at 640, out at 650. Solid. I like that. Buy, sell at 660. Like that. I like that. Wonderlust Jackie, I'm sorry. Easiest way that I can say it is it's best to start simulation trading and paper trading. It offers very small monetary risk with pretty good reward. So you can test the waters, implement everything it is that you learned from our group and any other platform that you're learning from, and there's no monetary risk. It's paper trading, it's fake money. And you get a trade, with all of us. You can subscribe to real-time quotes. You just have to reach out to a TD Ameritrade rep. There we go, 640. I'm thinking of buying more down here just to even lower my average. I'm up 7%. Nice, nice. Glad to hear that. So we have one of our members who's up 7%. Thank you, dude. That's all you. Again, we're all trading. We're here to make money. I didn't place the trade for you, so I'm glad you're able to make a profit. Congrats to your trade. Now it's just time to cover. All right. Just waiting to cover 358 more shares. I'm not too sure why I have such a weird number of shares left, but I have to get rid of a couple of them. I'm thinking of selling at the resistance at 675. Every time it hits 675, not too sure if you guys could see, there's sellers at 675, buyers at 670. So I have my limit to sell at 670 once it goes, but I haven't canceled my stop loss yet. So my stop loss is bouncing right off the golden VWAP, and let's just get a nice little push. $6 profit, dude. Congrats! Thank you so much. I'm so happy to hear that you're doing well. Nice, nice. Thank you, team. It's 15 minutes from the market open, and people are up 6-7%. I haven't joined the group chat just yet, and all the conversations you guys have going. I'm not seeing, other than it holding below the EMA line right now, I'm not seeing any real downward trend. That is something that I was trying to see, if it's starting to flatline and kind of curve back down. And if that's the case, I'm just going to cover my position. But I'm going to try to be a little patient and let it do its thing, and always manage my risk. So, hey, could buying shares affect if others sell? To an extent. I mean, not necessarily. If you're buying shares and someone's selling it at the price that you're buying, then that just means that you get filled quicker, as well as, if there's more people selling than buying, then obviously that brings the price down. But if there's more people buying than selling, then that would bring the price up on itself. So it's kind of more of the psychology of what moves a stock up and what moves a stock down. And again, for those that are just getting started, we do have a bunch of helpful videos within our YouTube channel. You simply make your way over to our helpful video playlist, and that is right here. And you guys are up. So I'm waiting to lock in, and again, mine's much smaller. It's 4% profit. There we go. Oh man, I almost missed it again because of the live stream. There we go, 660, 675, boom. And can I get filled? No. Oh my goodness. This is so frustrating. All right, I'm trying to be patient. I'm sorry. I keep going back and forth with the live chat and the live stream, and I missed out on sending out my order. Freaking crap. It hit 670. There we go. I'm just gonna still gonna send it. Let's go. Boom, boom, boom. Come on, come on. So all those that, all of you guys that, when we called it out down here at 630, 635, you guys should be up. Let's see. Or not. Doesn't want to tell me. You guys should be up 5%. But yeah, I'm just trying to exit. I'm just trying to be, just trying to exit, trying to hold above. Let's see. Nope. I got a couple more of my shares. There again, there it goes, down to 640. Wouldn't surprise me again if it goes down to 635. And the MACD indicator just labeled it as a sell, but it literally labeled it as a buy like 1 second before that. So again, that's why it's never a good idea to solely rely on one thing. But the thing that I like about this is now the MACD indicator selected it as a buy. And we should see these green candle bars start to peak out like this before it sees another downward trend. So I think we should be able to see a nice little push, hopefully around to like 680. So I think we can do that. But if it goes to 670, guys, I am locking in profits, and I actually have to be on the road already. But we have to do it for YouTube. Got to do it for the team. How many shares would you recommend starting out? If you're just starting out, I would not recommend you buying with any real money. I would recommend you starting to paper trade and get your feet wet with that. There's no reason that you should invest real money, especially if you're just starting out. I know I just want to jump into the game, but the best example that I can give you is when you get hired for a job just because you think you have the skills. Does that mean that the employer will send you on the floor or wherever it is that you work to sell or be with customers right away? No, you go through training for about 2 weeks, a month, and that's for a traditional job. So just think about the same thing when it comes down to trading the stock market. Boom, there we go. Come on, get filled. Boom. All right, out at freaking crap. Oh my goodness, did you guys see that? That thing popped. This is so ridiculous, guys. I kid you not. All right, got filled with the rest of my shares at 670, as you guys could see right there. That is hilarious. All right, it's trending up, and it just popped right through. I missed out on from 670. Hey, but it's all part of the game. Missed out on another 3% with that nice little pop. I locked it in. It's a green trade. But this is hilarious, guys. I kid you not. This happens to me all the time. We're trading MNR. What was it? Oh, and it's breaking $7 right now. It's breaking $7. Okay, that's it's hard to sometimes deal with, but hey, profit is profit, and I took it, and guys, I get it. It hurts. Oh my goodness. All right. So everyone's cracking up at me right now. I kid you not, guys. If you guys are part of the Discord group chat, everyone knows like when I buy a little bit too early sometimes, and then when I sell, I'm very conservative. So I lock profits in at a 3% or anything like that. It just popped up 7-8% if you bought in from the if you bought in from the very bottom at 635, which I averaged down with. That doesn't mean that that's where my total purchase price was. I sold half of my position when it hit highs of 665 the first time, and I just sold the rest at 670. So unfortunately, I didn't maximize my profit, but right now it's already it's heading back down, so it's right back down to 680, bouncing off now the golden VWAP. I hope you guys found today's video helpful. Hope you guys found it entertaining, and that's just my style. I sell a little bit too early, hey, but I locked in profits. It happened yesterday, and everyone like always roasts me within our Discord group chat because they know when I sell, that's the best time to buy because it usually does all its action there. So hey, I stuck to my plan. I locked in profits, and I can't be upset with that. So overall, guys, thank you guys again so much for watching. I'll be posting all my screenshots within the Discord group chat. If you guys want to join, again, all the links are down below. That is really just it. That was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, it comes down to the very simple understanding of waiting for the drop, waiting for it to kind of settle, and then have that little pop. The reason that ALDX was one that I traded was because of the members within TechBud Solutions. It all comes down to exposure. It comes down to sharing best practices and exposing people to opportunity. That doesn't mean that I had to trade it based on their suggestion. That's what it came down to is, I analyzed the stock, I saw the potential, I set up a plan, I managed my risk, and I went for it. I stuck to my plan, and it's as simple as that. So, profit is profit, and I hope you guys killed it today. I'll be sharing all the profits, or a majority of the profits, all within the Instagram. So my Instagram is down below. If you guys want to order your TechBud Solutions apparel, the link is down below. If you guys want to be a part of the TechBud Solutions community, all the links are down below. Move on over to the TechBud Solutions voice chat, as that is what we're going to be. And ALDX does not stop ripping. It's at $6.90, $6.95, and $7. And it's about to break $7. Just broke above $7, $7.05, and $7.10. Oh man, this hurts a little. But hope you guys take care. Continue working hard. Continue following dreams. And like always, guys, let's make sure that we're in the year on a green note. Take care, team.